2017 Lincoln MKZ with less than 16,000 miles on the odometer. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: parking aid sensor, power driver seat, power passenger seat, brake assist, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, auto-dimming rear view mirror, leather-wrapped steering wheel, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, traction control, universal garage door opener, power side view mirrors, variable speed intermittent wipers, alarm system, air conditioning, ABS, power locks, heated front seats, front side airbag. This is a top-rated dealer. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.